Gaming Guy 88 here with another video, and this is an unboxing of the Hogwarts Legacy PS5 controller. Alright, let's get right into it. First, let's get a quick look at the box itself. You see PlayStation and Sony, which is on every PS5 controller box. You see Portkey Games, Hogwarts Legacy. Oops, sorry for the glare. You also see a picture of the controller. It has golden decals on both handles and Hogwarts Castle on the touchpad. And the controller overall is a black controller. Limited edition DualSense wireless controller for PS5. And Hogwarts Legacy sold separately, which I did get the deluxe version of the game, and it really looks and plays incredible. Definitely glad to be playing it. This is the top of the box, nothing special there. Bottom of the box, Sony Interactive Entertainment. And we have the PlayStation logo, another gold decal, compatible hardware PS5, which is said right there, and another gold decal with another PlayStation logo. Of course, contents: the DualSense wireless controller, Hogwarts Legacy Limited Edition, and the instruction manual, just in case I forget how a controller works. Okay. The PlayStation sticker and tape on the top have already been cut, so it's easier to open. Well, I say that, but let's just see how easy it is. Oh, there we go. And of course it has a hang tab here, which opens like so. Oh, the hang tab actually comes off. Okay, let's set that to the side there. And let's pull out this may be a little bit harder with these flaps here. Trying to pull out the controller box. Almost there. I'm just trying to do this all with one hand and trying to not hurt the box itself. Oh, I forgot to show the back of the box here. Also has Wizarding World and another picture of the controller. Heighten your senses and all that good stuff. So this box here, this plain white box, actually houses the controller. And I'm going to have to figure out how to open this as well. I imagine it's like most boxes these days. There we go. And let's just take that out. That was the controller. This is the instruction manual. Pretty thick actually for a controller. So, but yeah, the DualSense wireless controller in multiple languages too. Okay, and the controller is obviously in here. And here it is. Wow. Yeah, that gold definitely looks better in person. Like it's actually reflective and shiny and stuff like that. Definitely like how it looks and goes well with the all black controller here, which I do have an all black PS5 controller that matches my all black PS5, but I definitely like the decals on this controller, which, like I said, there's Hogwarts Castle right there, and some more decals on the sides of the controller. Oh, and wow, it even says Portkey Games Hogwarts Legacy on the bottom, too, which I actually didn't know. So, yeah, there you have it. The Hogwarts Legacy limited edition PS5 DualSense controller. Definitely glad to have it. A major shout out to my mother. Excuse me, there I got tongue tied. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Thank you all very much for sticking with the channel as I took last month off. And there will be more content coming after this. So, you all take care and have a good one.